Alright, today we're gonna make from the HelloFresh Cheesy Beef Tostadas. For these beef tostadas, it's supposed to take 40 minutes with 10 minutes of prep time. Middle position for 4 servings and preheat the oven to 450. And then I washed all my produce dry, air dry everything, and then roughly chopped the cilantro. I need to wash that. I didn't wash my cilantro. Roughly chopped that cilantro. As I said, it don't look great, but it's there. So chop the cilantro up. So taking off that top. And I'll core it. I have finally chopped the remaining until you have 2 tablespoons. I got way more than 2 tablespoons. So I messed up somewhere, but it is what it is. This is what I'm looking like over here. Alright, and then I'm gonna make salsa and crema. Okay, I like salsa and crema. So, alright, now I'm just combining the tomato, or the onion rather. So that's what that's looking like, pretty good. Just trim half of the limes. And then quarter there. And then I'll add in a small bowl my crema. I plan to make that. Now we'll combine this sour cream and it's my hot sauce, and I won't. So I got my sour cream there.
Yep.
All right.
All right, for sure.
Love you too.
Holla, for sure. You want your phone back?
Yeah.
Or you want me to keep going through it? See what I can find?
You said what?
I said, or do you want me to go through it, see what I can find?
I mean, I want it back. Yep.
Are you saying you're both of those things?
Yep. All right.
Is that why I love you so much?
Is that why? Maybe that's just. Isn't that a song? Everything was wrong. Something like that. Yes, you. I've been around enough to know just what I want. Are you turning me?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I thought you was doing it because I was singing.
Nah, that's rude.
It sure would have been.
You know, I like when you say it naked.
So I have my hot sauce and my crema. It's on high right now. So tostadas are going on. I'm just going to put these directly on and drizzle in with a tablespoon of olive oil. So they gave us quite a few tostadas, so that's good. They shouldn't be touching, but I don't have room, so they're going to touch today. So I'm just putting this on the plate like a flower. Drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil. And then brush or rub it. And for me, alright, that's high. Put that back on low. Rub these together. because I don't have a brush. I might have to do a few at a time. I just don't want to.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dakota. All right. Put a timer on for 4 minutes. That's hot than mud. All right. My oil is in here. I already started. It's taking a long time. Jeez. Get what I intended to happen. All right. Divide that up, and then medium-high heat is what it should be on. And make sure you try to break that up. This is about 45 minutes. I'm taking it off the heat for a second so I have some time. With a sliced onion. That's everything off outside of the small amount of limes I have left. That's looking so good. Nice and crunchy looking. See those? Let me take these other ones out because I don't want them nice and crunchy. 2 on each plate. 1 burnt one and 1 non-burnt one. You know what? This might have been good with some refried beans. They should have gave us some refried beans because I'm used to having. Don't do what you gonna do. All right, cheese base. Cheese base. I'm doing this for my packing too, so I can't be overly zealous. Oh, but we got more cheese. So. So these onions actually came out a lot nicer than I expected them to. That's good. Like they were a lot thicker. Ow, this is hurting my wrist. I'm not weak. Sheesh.
No, that's from bowling. Try to tip your ass.
This not even the wrist that I use, homie. Try to tell your ass nothing, cause this ain't the wrist.
Hey, don't get farted on.
Don't fart on me.
That was actually hilarious.
All right. If you. So I got my nice sauce with my cilantro, with my tomate. Oh, that was a lot on that first one. With my onion. And with my lime juice. Okay. That's part of Cousin Skeeter thing, so I'm with it.
From what group?
702? Total?
From what city?
Las Vegas!
All right, now.
Yeah, boy.
Do your dance, make your cheeks clap.
Boys, that mean be better than me.
They says.
All right. Stay tuned for the reaction to the Cheesy Beef Tostadas with added cheese.
What do we